What is copy trading and how does it work? Many people believe that in order to profit from cryptocurrencies, they must have a thorough understanding of arithmetic, finance, and technology. They believe cryptocurrency trading must be stressful for beginners and draw a lot of attention. The truth is that technological advancements and the emergence of artificial intelligence have resulted in a plethora of useful tools that can aid in financial and investment decisions. A type of software known as crypto copy trading can make trading cryptocurrencies easier. We must first establish that there are primarily two types of traders: those who attend seminars, try to piece together techniques and pay expert trading fees, and those who do not. Then there's the other side, which wants to make money with the least amount of effort. Mirror or duplicate trading was developed for the latter and is considered ideal by many. Before we go any further, it is safe to note that nothing in this video should be considered as financial advice. That being said, let's move on. The exponential growth of copy trading over the last 5 years is largely due to the fact that many traders trust this approach and find comfort in knowing they are not dealing alone. To acquire and sell cryptocurrencies, a trading strategy known as crypto copy trading employs automation. You don't need a lot of time or experience because it allows you to mimic the strategies of other traders. Copy trading isn't just for beginners. Many experienced traders use it to conduct market research because it saves time and can be part of a winning strategy. The goal of cryptocurrency copy trading is to find great traders and emulate them. Copy trading, in contrast to traditional trading, does not place as much emphasis on spotting market patterns or attempting sophisticated trading methods. Instead, the automated trading program simply replicates the actions of another trader. For example, if one trader spent 5% of their funds on the same coin, the copy traders program would invest 5% of their funds in it. Copy trading is ideal for beginners in trading because they do not need to fully understand the market. Instead, by drawing on the experience of other traders, they may be able to make wise decisions. Even if you have a strong understanding of the market, copy trading can be beneficial. It can help you save time because it requires less work. By observing how other traders make decisions, you can learn about the market and develop trading strategies that suit your needs. Only the right software can make cryptocurrency copy trading profitable. It requires some setup, but once completed, it operates automatically. A typical copy trading system will replicate the lead trader indefinitely. It can be set to invest the same amount as the lead trader or to allocate a percentage of available funds to investments that correspond to the lead trader's percentage. Although this is not a hard and fast rule, copy trading does not require input from the individual copying trade. Any transaction executed by the software can be halted, and there is an option to manually close the position before the principal trader. Because cryptocurrency copy trading isn't limited to a single trader, anyone can change who they copy at any time. In order to function properly, it requires access to another person's trades. How do you persuade another merchant to agree to this? Most copy trading software makes this simple. You look through a list of key traders and select one whose performance appeals to you. The program then begins automatically imitating that person's transactions. You receive your trading profits, and they charge a small fee, usually between 5% and 10% of your profit. Although this method appears to be futuristic, it is actually a tried and true method. Since 2007, there has been some form of copy trade. It has a good reputation and is regulated by the European Securities and Markets Authorities, the Financial Conduct Authority, and other bodies. You can be sure it's a genuine trading strategy if you use a licensed copy trading service because these organizations have a lot of restrictions on it. Everything runs smoothly when convenience meets ease. In contrast to mirror trading, which allows traders to copy specific techniques, copy trading transfers a portion of the copying trader's funds to the account of the copied investor. Any future trading decisions made by the copied investor, such as opening a position, placing stop-loss and take-profit orders, or closing a position are also carried out in proportion to the copied investor's account and the copying trader's allotted copy trading funds. Typically, the copying trader has the option to detach clone trades and manage them independently. They also have the option of terminating the copy connection permanently, closing all clone positions at the going rate. As a result of copy trading, a new type of investment portfolio known as people-based portfolios or signal portfolios by certain industry insiders has emerged. People-based portfolios differ from traditional investment portfolios in that the investment funds are invested in people rather than traditional market-based securities. Although signal followers do not deposit funds into signal providers' accounts because the latter have indirect control over a portion of the signal followers' capital, they act as portfolio managers. As a result, the social trading platforms provide a novel framework for delegated portfolio management. It is a widely held belief that everything that appears to be good contains a hidden dose of evil. However, there are numerous benefits to copy trading. Copy trading websites' analytics can be used to quickly and easily identify traders with successful trading strategies. Furthermore, while the software handles the work, copy trading frees up time to focus on more important matters. Rather than allowing emotions to influence transactions, investments are made using facts and figures. Copy traders are less likely to make panic or FOMO-related mistakes. Individuals can make smart trades by following experienced traders rather than conducting their own research and education on cryptocurrencies. It is also worth noting that the actions of other investors are closely monitored through copy trading, providing strict market awareness. There are some disadvantages to copy trading as well. The portfolio's absolute power is not available. Because they are not required to approve every choice, copy traders lose some power. Only the trader being tracked will know how well the trades perform. Losing money can result from copying the wrong trader. Because trades lag the leader's trade significantly in a volatile market, copy traders may not receive the same result. Certain websites will cancel orders if there is a significant price difference between the market price and the price used by the lead trader. Each trader has a different risk comfort level. If a trader uses all of his savings to emulate a trader with a high risk tolerance and a lot of money, that trader may be doomed. There are numerous platforms that offer copy trading all over the world. The unique properties to look for include regulation and security, the number of professional traders to copy, and the platform's transparency. Platforms that provide copy trading. Etoro. With over 12 million traders, Etoro is a copy trading website that has been growing steadily since it was launched in 2006. Stocks, commodities, forex, CFDs, social trading, indices, cryptocurrencies, index-based funds, and exchange-traded funds are all available on this copy trading platform, ETF. One of the greatest social and copy trading platforms is Etoro, which is perfect for new users who like to stick with simpler usability. AvaTrade. One of the best forex copy trading platforms, AvaTrade was founded in Ireland and is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland. Only a few reputable forex brokers, including them, offer fixed spread forex trading. With AvaTrade, you have access to a large number of copy trading and social media sites. Because it allows automatic, real-time copying of trading operations between trading accounts, this is one of the best platforms for copy trading. The MetaTrader 5 platform provides direct access to it. The basic concept behind the service is that a trader makes their financial market transactions public, while also allowing other users to subscribe to this signal. It executes automatically on the subscribers' trading accounts. Side effects include a short demo account period and high inactivity fees. ZuluTrade supports over 40 forex brokers, with their integrated solution being one of them. Investors who already have active brokerage accounts can easily link a new account with their current broker. One of the best copy trading platforms, it allows you to filter brokers based on criteria such as the minimum deposit required to begin trading forex and mobile device compatibility. ZuluTrade now supports Facebook login, which is convenient for users who check their accounts frequently. Naga. This is a platform for copy trading that automatically duplicates your trade. You can use the leaderboard to find out other investors' numbers and choose who to copy to maximize your trade profits. FXTM. FXTM is another popular platform for copy trading. This is a global ECN broker that is also quite active, particularly in Asian and African markets. They have a wide range of account types available. This duplicate trading platform also offers the FXTM Invest service for a minimum deposit of $100. With a $100 minimum deposit, you can begin emulating elite traders at FXTM. As a result, copy trade is quite simple, CFD fees are high, and the product portfolio is limited. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is a powerful platform for the Forex and exchange markets. The MQL5 language is used by the automatic trading program that runs on your computer and trades on your behalf, and it is also used by this top Forex copy trade service provider. This copy trading tool allows you to open 100 currency or stock charts at once, and the 21 periods allow for in-depth analysis of even minor price changes. MetaTrader 5's platform is accessible via PC, web, and mobile devices. One of the best social trading platforms uses the MQL5 programming language to trade for you, using automated trading software that primarily runs on your computer. It is critical to conduct thorough due diligence when selecting a platform to use for copy trading. As is customary, this video is strictly for educational purposes and is not intended to provide financial advice. Invest in stocks and other commodities with caution and in accordance with your risk tolerance. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more educational videos. Turn on your notification settings to receive an alert when the next video is uploaded. Until then, keep broadening your financial knowledge and investing wisely in your portfolio.